Hey guys, what's up? I think you guys pretty fine and by the merciful mighty Allah and I'm doing great. So as you can see, here's me and now I'm here for my practicing purpose and I have got a brother and I said my brother, could you please help me for making a video, and that will be really fascinating. It will be really like you can spread out your hand. You can help me by making video, and my brother accept my request. So this way I'm practicing right now, and today I'm here for representing something as well. I wanna represent my like lifestyle, how I lead my life. So as me, you can see I'm random boy. I love to like lead my life randomly from my childhood. I don't know, I'm the like I can say I'm individual on, and I cannot mix like another boys, like especially huge boys. They are like addicted with bad activities. I always avoid this kind of work because of my family's orders, and I have got his orders and rules and regulation. I love to follow that. So I think it's my random life, and I have little amount of friends, and I love to spend my time with them. And I'm seeking a less positive person. I don't know why. And sometimes I am thinking that why I'm like this, and why I'm not like them. Because I used to see that lot of boys, they are doing lot of better work, but I'm not. But I always really recommend my friends, and that like you have to obey like Salah, and you have to obey your parents' rules and regulation. Even you have to attend your academic study so that you can reach up your destination. So it's really crucial that we need to like motivate someone that is surrounding us. I always work for that. So if you're a positive person, or I can say that you are a positive person. That's why you are watching right now this video. So a positive person always doing something good for his life as well. For still you are working for your communication skill. It means that you are a positive person. As a positive person, you have huge responsibility that you have to work for society, for like in upcoming generation. So for everyone, so try to share positive vibe. So that's all for now, guys, because someone is like beside me. I feel like shy. I'm not shy actually. So that's all for now. Bye.